If you watch Mr. Beast's videos till the very end, it's not really your choice. It's the way your brain is designed. Mr. Beast doesn't just make videos. He designs human behavior. Today, we're not judging whether that's good or bad. Today, we're understanding why you can't skip his videos. Test Tube Segment 1, Dopamine Loop, Why His Videos Are Addictive. What does the human brain find most addictive? A predictable reward? No. An unpredictable reward. When you don't know, when the money will appear, who will win, or what will happen at the end, your brain releases more dopamine. Brain psychology law, variable reward system. This is the same system that makes gambling, short-form content, and Mr. Beast's videos addictive. Puzzle Piece Segment 2, Curiosity Gap, Why the Brain Can't Abandon an Unfinished Story. You may have noticed this. Mr. Beast never tells the full story up front. The title says, "Watch till the end." The thumbnail says, "Something big is about to happen." Brain psychology law, Zeigarnik effect. The brain treats incomplete information as a threat. That's why you don't skip. You're seeking closure. Warning Segment 3, Loss Aversion. One mistake and it's over. According to psychology, humans fear loss more than they desire winning. In Mr. Beast's challenges, one mistake equals elimination. One move equals everything lost. Brain psychology law, loss aversion. The same pressure exists in the viewer's mind. If I stop watching now, I might miss the best part. Bust and Silhouette Segment 4, Social Proof, When Crowd Logic Overrides Reason. When we see millions of people watching something, the brain automatically assumes this must be important. Brain psychology law, social proof. That's why you instantly label Mr. Beast's videos as worth watching, without even questioning it. Mr. Beast doesn't act like a celebrity on camera. Simple clothes, simple language, real reactions. Brain psychology law, parasocial attachment. Your brain starts treating him like someone you know. The screen disappears, and he feels genuine. Manipulation is when the viewer is harmed. Mr. Beast takes only one thing from you: your time. And in return, he gives excitement, hope, and entertainment. Next time you watch a Mr. Beast video, don't just enjoy it. Observe what's holding you there. The emotion, the curiosity, or the fear of missing out. Brain psychology law, parasocial attachment. When a creator appears relatable, your brain starts treating them like someone you personally know. This creates a one-sided emotional bond, where you feel connected, even though the interaction isn't real. You don't see Mr. Beast as a brand. You see him as a person. And when that happens, trust increases, attention increases, and resistance disappears. Brain deeper layer. Why this bond is so powerful. Your brain evolved in small social groups. It was never designed to understand millions of viewers and one screen. So when someone repeatedly shows kindness, fairness, and generosity on camera, your brain labels them as safe. Safe people don't get skipped. Balance scale final verdict. Manipulation or genius? Manipulation happens when psychological tools are used to harm the viewer. When fear, shame, or deception take more than they give. Mr. Beast takes only one thing from you: your time. And in exchange, he gives excitement, hope, and a sense of possibility. This isn't dark manipulation. This is behavioral psychology used skillfully. Brain the real secret, metapsychology. The real reason Mr. Beast wins is not money. It's self-awareness. He understands how people think, feel, and react better than most creators on the platform. And YouTube doesn't reward talent alone. It rewards understanding human nature. Next time you watch a Mr. Beast video, don't just enjoy it. Observe yourself. What's keeping you there? Curiosity? Excitement? Fear of missing out? Because the moment you can observe your mind, you stop being controlled by it. Bellsoft CDA, intelligent and pushy. If you want to understand psychology, not to manipulate, but to become aware, subscribe, because real power always comes from understanding.